Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Tak apa-apa, baiklah, ikuti aku. Tentu bersih, aku selalu senang membantu dengan atau tanpa.
What? No friend of mine will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with my...
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello. Defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him. Hey, anyone want to be...
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa! Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers. Oh!
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
Ayo Gani. Pegangan, kita akan berangkat sekarang.
Well, then race for me.
X!
Miss Cruz, I would be...
Team Dinoco!
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't this.
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look...
So, ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your...
That was the deal. You are not a nice guy. Well, seriously, I gotta say, you do make a quality.
It's a show you've been in rehab!
Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
McQueen's wearing white wall!
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
What's going on, ladies? All right, now, let's have us a little look.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del...
Word, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
Is that what you think? Come on. I want to
Whoa! Oh, yeah, I see. I can use that energy for motivation, right?
Where'd all your friends go? A final check of his tires.
Doc said when I finished, I could go. That was the deal.
The deal was you fixed the road, not make it work. You are not winning this.
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bring?
Speaking of recalls, you're getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, we get it. You both know each other.
Wow, he's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
You're also tense. It's voice activated. Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed by the one?